WiredBucks.com. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? That's what we'll be talking about today. But first, please do check out the channel. Right now I have a 31-day Cash App challenge for you all. Really cool playlist. You can check out the link in the description below. 31 apps in 31 days. You can do 2 apps in a day. You can do all 31 apps in a day. There's all kind of really cool apps there if you want to check them out. Cashback apps, make money watching videos, earn cash listening to music, free stock apps, Bitcoin, all kind of other really cool stuff. And most of these apps have referral programs where you can make even more money. So check out the other video that I made where you can share your links for free, a website where you can share your links for free and make even more money by referring people. Check that out as well. There's a link in the description, like I said. Please do subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos coming out. I upload quite frequently. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. Smash the like button, share this video, leave comments and questions below. All right, cool. So, scam or legit? Let's talk about this today. We're gonna talk about what is it, how it works, how you make money. Is it a scam or is it legit? How do you get paid? Gift cards, PayPal, whatever. Is there a referral program, payment proof, what countries is available, and tips and tricks, and more. I know I'm talking very fast, but sorry, let's get right into it. So, WiredBucks. Make your first $200 with us today. We're the #1 influencer network. Earn $10 for every friend you invite. So obviously they have a referral program. I actually have another video that shows you a really cool place to share your referral links. So check out that video as well. There'll be a link in the description below for that as well. For any referral program, really. Okay, so $25 sign-up bonus. Earn money, blah, blah, blah. How does it work here? Okay, you join, sign up for an account. Join the community of people making money online with social media. Invite your friends, blah, blah, blah. You earn $10 for every friend you invite that joins the site. Nice. Withdraw your earnings instantly. PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Bitcoin, or mail checks. And there's this little calculator here. Let's say you have 1,000 people. Invite, whatever, and bam. And it says $230 a day. And they have some payment proofs down here. Which, let's get right into the red flags. Right into the red flags. Alright, so the payment proofs could obviously be scammed. Just screenshots, whatever. I mean, these are pretty much just photos of anyone. Frequent asked questions. It says they've been around since 2008. And so on and so forth. However, if you go to the Who Is database here, put their website in, and this website began in April 23rd, 2020, which wasn't that long ago. Some other red flags here. Scroll down to the bottom here. What is this phone number? That is not even a real phone number. Very strange. Okay, these links, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, they go absolutely nowhere. They go right back to the website we're on. Let's click on one. Bam, see that? Some more red flags here you want to take a look at. Go to the About page. And you notice how the website title up here changed. Very strange. They have a contact page and they have the location, which is a real street address, but it is something about boosting signals on your phone or whatever. It has nothing to do with WiredBucks when I looked it up. Email info@example, and this phone number again. Very, very strange. And not only that, there's like a billion of these sites that existed like this, and they're all very, very shady. And here's something else we're going to take a look at. When you go to sign up right now, you try to go to the terms of service page, the privacy policy page, and the fraud policy page. They go absolutely nowhere. Check this out. Click. Not found. There's no terms of service, anything like that. Privacy policy, nothing. It's all just shadiness. So anyways, what do you think? Leave in the comments below what you think. Scam or legit? I'm not going to waste my time with this. I've seen way too many other sites like this. I've reviewed other sites exactly like this. They all just kind of clone one another. And it's a bunch of waste of time. So anyways, check out my other videos. Please do subscribe to the channel. I will talk to you soon.